How to type 4x4 or more metrics in your Word document. If you want to type 4x4 metrics in your Word document, or better still more than that, this video is for you. To begin with, I'm going to type my A, then equal sign. Then I mark the menus on the top. I'm going to locate my insert button and click on it. Then I'm going to continue to click on equation. With this selected, make sure to select on bracket. After that, continue to click on the square bracket. Now that we have this selected, all you have to do is to make sure the dotted symbol square in the middle is highlighted, and then come back to the ribbon and select metrics. After that, ensure to select on 3x3 empty metrics. With this selected, I'm going to make it 4x4. So the trick is simple. Come back and select the one that you want to select on, anyone you can use to highlight. Then make sure you right click on it. Among the list of options, continue to click on insert. Then a drop-up menu will appear. Make sure to select insert row after. So this will automatically adjust the metrics to become 4x3. We are not done. We're going to make it 4x4. So all you have to do is to come back to the same selected metrics again and then right click on it. Then come back to insert among the menus. And then among the list of options, make sure you select insert column after. So this will readjust it to become 4x4. In order for us to make it more than that, let's say you want to make it 5x5. We are going to repeat the same process. So come back to the selected metrics again and right click on it. Then come to insert. Then among the list of options here, insert row after. So this will readjust it to 5x4. In order for us to repeat it to the column side, all you have to do is to come back again and then click on it. Then make sure to click on insert. But this time we're going to insert column after. That's the tricks on how to type 4x4 or larger metrics in your Word document. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.